Many don't know this, but email campaigns really work during the Halloweens. In fact, most people are looking for great deals during the Halloween, so they read most of their emails they get for discounts on Halloween. And you can take great advantage of this if you work smart. Now, what many people do is they send generic emails saying that, hey, I have this new product on discount on my site, check them out. Now, this doesn't really work. What you need to do is you need to understand what your users might want or how you can actually intrigue them to look at your new items in your shop for the Halloween. Let me give you an example. Let's say you own a t-shirt shop and just for the Halloweens you brought in some masks to sell along with your t-shirts. Now, you know already that t-shirts will sell easily as that's what most of your users come to your site for. But how will you grab their attention with the masks? Now, the mistake that most people do here is that they directly send out an email saying that, hey, I have this new mask in my shop. Please come and check it out. These are some discount I'm giving you on the mask for the Halloween. Now, this sort of emails doesn't really work because most of your users are interested in the t-shirts rather than the mask. So here's what you can do. Since you know that most of your buyers are coming to your site to buy t-shirts, first, you can send them an email on the offers you have on the t-shirts. So this is what you can do. You can write an email like, hey John, we have brought in some cool spooky collection for Halloween. Take a look at them, get a flat 20% discount for every t-shirt you buy. Now, along with this email, you can add a second section where you can highlight your mask. Like, also take a look at this spooky collection of masks that we brought in. Grab hold of a mask along with the t-shirt and get an additional 10% discount. So see what I did there? I first offered something that my users want, and then I offered them one of my new products that I brought in for the occasion. So this is how you can actually send effective emails to your users so that they buy more products or at least start buying your new products that you brought in for Halloween. So that's how you can optimize your email campaigns for Halloween. Now let us look at our next marketing tip.